Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I will show you one website where you can create a very high quality to follow a profile backlink, and also you guys are able to create your image backlink on this website. Okay, so the website name is prort.fr. So this is a website URL, and this is a profile backlink, a dashboard. So what I previously created for the verification purpose. So before the started, we can do some research. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 70, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 52, and the spam score is 3%. So yeah, considerable. And if I can check this website traffic, so according to SimilarWeb, this website having around 23.5K monthly visits, and mostly traffic from India, France, Vietnam, Pakistan, Switzerland, and another country. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you wanting to increase your crawlability, audience, traffic source, brand building from that kind of country, then must you guys will create your backlink on this website. Okay. So now we can start. First thing, you guys will click on the login button, and your website language. This website language should be different. If should be different, then you can convert this website language. Clicking through this translate to English. Okay. Then after click on register button. Click on individual. I'm a individual, and let me convert the language, and there you can add your brand name, your email address, then you guys will choose your password, then you can reconfirm your password, and you can acknowledge the terms and condition. Then after you can click on the save. uh so I guess this image is already in use. So there I have created account, I guess, previously. So what you can do, you can do the same process. Then after you are directly enter on this website profile dashboard. And before this website send you the verification email, so you can activate your profile. So clicking on this link, you can verify your profile. Then after you are able to use this website. So now we can click on login, and okay, I guess I forgot the email. So let me show you how you can create. So once you guys will create your profile, then after you can click on the your profile icon. Then after you can see this is your dashboard, but I updated. So what you can do, you can click on next, edit my profile publicly. You can click on this. From there, you can change your profile picture, your brand name, your first name, your last name, and your date of birth. Then after, you can there you can add your description, and how you can hyperlink your keyword in the description. So you can select your keyword, then you can see there is a hyperlink button. You can click on this, then you can paste your website URL. Then there you can paste your a website URL. Then after you can see there is a add a social piece. So clicking on this, you can add your social accounts as well. Then after once you guys will complete these things, then after you can click on save changes. So your changes will be saved. So there is something difficult to how you can found your profile a landing page URL. So suppose you can see this is my profile landing page URL. So only there you can change your username, then you are able to see your profile landing page URL. Okay, only the this is the method to how you can found your profile landing page URL. Okay, so only there you can change your profile, your username, and I can provide this website URL in the description section, so where you guys will access easily. Okay, and the next thing is to how we can publish images on this website. So you can see previously I published one image. You can click on new collection, and let me open my website. So this is my title, and you can paste your title here. Then after you can click on the send, and there you can upload your picture. So convert the language into English, and this is the image. So let me suppose upload this image. Then after you can select any category, and then after you can select any digital art, project theme. Then you can select anything. Then you can add a short description. So suppose me add this description here. Then there you can add your URL. So there you can add your URL, and if you wanting, so you can add. your location as well, but either you can ignore these things as well. And if you wanting to, you can add your social networks. Then after you can click on save.
This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description intently.co.
Yes, there we okay. So there is need to you can add your location. So Delhi, good, New Delhi. Okay, then after you can click on register, and you can see our project is successfully submitted, successfully updated. And if I can refresh my profile, this will take a couple of time, but after you are able to see your projects here, my collections, and you can see this is under process. And if I can click on this, okay, so this is in under review. So you can wait a couple of time, then they will this will automatically going to approve. Okay. So overall, this is the process to how you can create a your do follow profile backlink and your do follow image backlink on this website. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching, guys. And if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion from me or you are your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to help me something, so please, it's a humble request to you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create a rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.